Welcome back, Gunners, YouTuber subscribers. If you're wondering if I missed you, I did. I did miss you. I know some of the content has been stagnant. It's because we're just waiting on these body parts. And I really can't rush the body shop because I want it to be perfect. I want Kobe to be perfect. I want this build to be perfect. With that being said, I've got a couple of issues, couple of installs to deal with on this vlog. And I guess we're just going to keep updating you and show you how far along we've came. But I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I hope you guys are enjoying this build. And I need you to like the video. So before we start, like right now. Like the video. Like before they hang in it. Keep gunning. Alright now. Alright guys. Alright, so Alright, guys. Yep, alright, guys. Alright, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Trappy's here. Say what's up to the vlog, Trappy Buckets.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is our situation here. This is the second time we've taken off this oil pan. And we keep leaking from here. We've tried different techniques. Guys, this is not my first time putting on an oil pan. The only conclusion we came up with, Trap, is it could possibly be warped from the powder coating. Remember, we powder coated this. What did we do? Just bought a brand part number alert. No, this bag didn't have a part number. So we just brought a brand new TSX oil pan. We don't want to chance anything with a build like this. Also, our side cover tension cover was leaking also from the bottom, so it goes about like that, and it was leaking from right around here. So we're gonna clean that surface up. We're gonna re-Honda bond this, re-silicone it. Come on, I don't know what's up with my focus, guys. I know you guys been saying some stuff like the focus is off on the gun cast. I'm gonna really have to mess with it today, like probably during this live. During this. You know what? I'm botching this entire vlog already. I'm gonna have to figure out what exactly is going on with this autofocus. So, also a new addition. We put titanium. Geez. Yo, what is wrong with me today, bro?
Titanium axle nuts, crap.
Yo, I have completely ruined this vlog today, yo.
You ate, you good?
You know what it is? Probably because I'm hungry, Trap.
Yeah.
Probably because I'm
Order
hungry.
something. Bro.
Yeah, I should order something. Again, let's try this one more time. 36 millimeter vane engine stand axle nut. We torqued this sucker down. It's not moving. Trust me, guys. We've heard a lot of things in the comments, and a lot of people got blocked because they don't know what they're talking about. We torqued this sucker down to 134 pounds. We put some anti-seize on there because that titanium gets hot, and we're good to go. But how do you like this new addition? Titanium matching the wheels, lug nuts, you know, the whole theme. Axle nut. This is made by Vane Engine Stands. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Dirty. I appreciate you guys. But we are chipping away at these oil leaks. And this is our last one. So any gunners want to donate some Honda bond, you work at a dealership, hold it down, please. This is our last Honda bond, and we're doing a lot more builds. So the P.O. box is in my description. If you want to hold it down, if you need some money for them, just let me know, man. But if you could donate some of this stuff. But if you do need the money, we will help you out, man. Just, you know what to do at those dealerships.
Send the box, though. Don't go send one.
No, I'll take one, Trap. Beggars can't be choosy.
Nah.
No. You see, you being choosy. You being choosy and bougie. We'll take one if you have one. But we are going to start siliconing this sucker up over here. I'm going to clean this. I know it's brand new, but I'm going to clean this surface up with some brake cleaner and just make sure that this guy's going to stick really well. We're going to drop that oil pan and we are going to clean that surface up. I don't think I'm going to use this oil pan no more. So we'll put it on the wall of shame. Gunners, we got our side cover tensioner cover silicone donor there. And hold on, why is my info missing from here? Hold on, let me get this right info. Okay, there it is. Good to go. We are cleaning the surface of the block right now on the bottom, so that we can absolutely get, you know, good coverage on this new. Because I'm tired of taking off this oil pan, Trappy. I am tired of it. So this surface is clean. It's ready. Once Trap is done over yonder, we can slap this sucker on. We got some other stuff. I got some LEDs in. Got some accessories for the valve cover and stuff. The people miss you, PD. The people miss you. Trap built a unit right here.
Yo, check
That's
me
a
out,
good
Trap.
unit. Yeah, buddy. Show that right here. Show that.
Yeah.
Show that.
Check me out.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. These little spots are so hard to get into.
super difficult.
Like right here. And we pretty much got this guy covered here. But oh man, those little crevices.
Imagine putting it all back and then just because you were lazy, you got to take it back.
Oh my god. Apply that bead on just like this. And let that Honda bond work. You gotta get it just like that. Pause. So we'll go out, you know, we'll do the entire oil pan obviously. I'm gonna go clean this surface one more time and then we'll install that. Nice bead on there. Nice bead on there. Got our LEDs here. $40. Can't beat it. Can't beat it, Trappy. Got our covers here. Fresh, brand new. Slap those guys in there. See how Kobe looks with some headlights on. I threw the damn headlight out. Okay. So these guys don't fit. They're too big. We're going to have to get those covers. The city lights that we got don't fit. We're going to need city lights for the EK9. So if anyone can help with those, point me in the right direction. DM me. We need a city light and then we need the boot cover. So I really don't feel like buying.
Still want to see what it looked like.
Yeah, no, I want to see what the LED look like. But we struck out on both. Struck out. Yeah, Preem, what's good? What happened? Yeah, I know. All right, Trappy. Let's make it do what it do. Let's make it do what it do. Pause. It's getting dark in here. That's good enough. That's good enough. Let's see how these should be super bright. Imagine nothing turns on. Yeah. Oh. That's LED. You hear the little fans?
What the high beams look like though?
Go ahead.
Oh, no high beam.
No high beam? Wow.
What's up with these?
What is that, our fuel pump?
That's headlights.
Oh, that's the little fan.
Yeah.
That's cute. They're bright. I'll tell you that much. They're bright. It looks great. Yeah, Kobe, you got some shiners. Yo, kill the headlights so I can see the corners. Oh man, that looks so good. Yeah. Yo, we got two little Walbro 255s in the headlights, man. You hear that sound?
I like that.
What a unit. Gunners, my boy Chino just stopped by, and we're gonna have a surprise drop soon. Like just some real super limited, awesome stuff I got in store, right? So he just dropped off 4 sizes and stickers. I'm gonna let you help me pick which size. We're gonna number them, basically saying 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the comments, I'll filter through it. I really don't like number 4. It's way too big. But I'll show you in a second. So just get ready to vote right about now. Gunners, it's on you. Okay? 4 4 is way too big. I think it's way too tacky at 4. So I'll make your life easier. I'm removing 4. So out of comparison, this is an iPhone 11, not a Plus. That's 4. I think it's way too big for a sticker. Okay? So we're left with 1, 2, and 3. I really like 1. 2 is mediocre. 3 is my least favorite. So again, this is an iPhone. I like that sizing. This is about like the keep gunning one that we sell now, the small one, like the smaller version of the windshield banner, right? So in the comments right now, you guys voted out 1, 2, or 3. Give you a little bit more comparison with my iPhone. How's that look? That's the design. We're going to drop something super random out of nowhere and just surprise you guys. So vote it out. Appreciate you. Got my dipstick here, my nice little black K-tuned one. Took off that nut there, that titanium nut, so I can run that spring. I painted the spring. Well, not this, I painted the actual bracket, the holder. I painted that trim black. I'm waiting for it to dry up. I think it'll be a nice contrast of like, you know, so black dipstick. This will be like a, you know, whatever, silver, and then back into the black right there. So I'm just gonna wait for that guy to dry up and then install that. No, not big installations on these few next vlogs. Maybe when we get the doors and all that and the lip and everything, yeah, but it's just content, man. It's just to keep you guys in the loop. I don't want you to miss anything involving this build. You guys have been here from when the car drove in automatic, silver, you know what I mean? So I just try to include you in every single modification or every single install on this entire car. So I'll wait for that stuff to dry and then put it on. Put the oil in soon too. See if we still have that leak. Much better, huh? Not bad. I just gotta tighten this a little bit more, but remember we still have to put the oil in. So I know someone's gonna be like, hey, that oil cap is crooked. No, it's loose. It's loose. It's loose. I know. This guy's gonna go here. Most likely be this way. I don't want to scratch it, so I'm probably gonna open this up off camera, put that on, wait for the bracket, finish with that. That guy's all on. How's that look right there? Man, this would be a nice thumbnail, right? This might be the thumbnail. I don't know. That's on. Painted that bracket black. See that? Nice and simple. I don't know if we can see it through there. Can we? Nah, you get the gist. That's on there. I got the back glass. I wanted to show you guys. I didn't vlog getting it installed. I'm just waiting for my friends to finish smoking drugs. They're over there just smoking that Mary Jane. But once they're done, I'll go back there and show you guys the rear glass. But just chipping away at small details, man. Small details. Let's try to listen in on what they're saying. I heard your whole conversation. I took out a Hellcat, man. Stop playing with it. Oh, you raced the Hellcat? Big facts. Oh, my bad. Gunner Red? Hold on. Let me show y'all Gunner Red's car in a second. Hold on. Let me show y'all Gunner Red's car. He's doing some work to it, too. All my Honda Accord 2.0 guys, right?
10th gen all day.
Yeah, 10th gen all day. He got a bad one. I ain't gonna lie. He got a bad one. Our rear glass is on. We're not going to put these plastics back in because we have to put the spoiler, the CTR spoiler. So, yeah, not bad. But everything's functional. Everything works. Opens up nice. Getting there. We are getting there. Original Honda glass. Oh, I just messed something up. That means a lot nowadays, man. That means a lot. This Chrissy's 10th gen Accord, he's got a lot of stuff done to it. PRL, everything. I had no idea that these cars had the same motor as the Type R. So from what he's saying is, it's the same motor as the Type R. Marchi. It's the same motor. Gonna dripped out over here. It's, Jesus Christ, what an idiot. Same motor as the Type R. I think the internals are different and the turbo is different. So he just ordered the Type R turbo And he's got like all the bells and whistles, and I think he's got a Flash Pro for it too. But I'll tell you one thing, man. Chrissy's car looks great. It looks beautiful. Check it out from this view. Rims are dope. I like it. I like it. It's got a lot of potential. Jamie tunes it, so once he gets the new turbo, with the carbon fiber background, once he gets his new turbo, corn, E85, and go. Gunners, I am going to exclude this day here. Wasn't huge installs on this video. Wasn't a lot of information, but it was an update like I said before. We are coming near completion with Kobe, and yeah, we're just waiting on. It's never me and Trappy, man. Trust me, it's never me and Trappy. We just wait. If the parts are here, the parts get installed. We literally have no parts to install here. We can't put the mirrors on. We don't got no doors. We can't put the moldings on. We don't have no doors. So, etc., etc. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have the body panels. We'll be installing those. We'll keep you guys in the loop. We'll keep you guys posted. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, man. Enjoy the rest of your night. Trappy?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Oh yeah, you hot. I already said that part.